So from a very broad question and discussion to a more specific one, um, when cell and gene therapy products they demonstrate dramatic improvements with minimal safety concerns in say a phase 2 study, the sponsor may want to modify the protocol mid-study to increase patient enrollment and convert it to a pivotal study. So, how does the agency evaluate the patient data from a clinical endpoint and a CMC perspective from patients enrolled before and then after the challenge?
After the change. So this is
Excuse me,
again like,
change, yeah.
sorry, yeah, go ahead. This is it's a quite specific question, as you alluded
Mm.
to. We have had situations where this has happened, where there have been modifications mid-study. I do think it really it can sometimes be a challenge, statistically wise as well, if we're changing endpoints, changing product mid-study, and so this really is something where again the communication is key and partnering with the agency is key. How we evaluate the patient data really depends on the individual trial and what was changed, and we have an evaluation of those changes and the impact on the endpoints and impact on the product, specifically around CMC and clinical and what we're changing there. And so I really think this is more of an individual conversation that we're willing to have, but it really does vary based on the individual circumstances.